There's a great opportunity for undergraduates to get experience and training and mentorship through Catalyst.
We train the teaching assistants before the high school students come in, so they are more proficient in that skill set and the concepts.
For the undergraduate, it has a much more immediate deliverable, and that is the skills training and the leadership and the ability to make decisions in a lab setting. It's pretty profound what they can get.
So it was a good chance for me because I have two great mentors above me. I have Mr. Manji and Dr. Liz kind of guiding me as I myself guide the students.
On top of the scientific knowledge, they learned how to teach as well and how to explain something, how to realize that I am not as confident on this topic as much as I thought I was, because you're actually explaining something. And that's the confident level that you need to understand. So the college students polish their skills, acquire more skills, and then actually practice it while teaching, demonstrating it to another set of students.
It's not just that I have to learn the topics, I have to really learn them and really engage with them so that I can teach them and teach them effectively. I gained a lot of in-lab experience with those hands-on techniques because I had to be able to teach them to the students and give them proper feedback.
I definitely think it's a great opportunity for teaching assistants who want to get into further research or who want to become an educator later on. So either way, it's an opportunity on the science field as well as the education field.
I feel like it's really hard to get into research because it's so competitive. And so this program, we get to do a lot of different projects and experiments, and there's a lot more opportunities of what you get to do and what skills you can get from here. And I think that's really important because in college, there's so many people, it's hard to get that experience.
What's really compelling for undergraduate TAs is that they get the leadership opportunity to mentor a small group. They also get the intense laboratory training to be able to mentor the project. And so for many of them that are maybe college freshmen, college sophomore students, they haven't been in the lab yet, but they want to be. So this gives a handful of students the chance to learn the high-end techniques, learn how to collect data, how to troubleshoot, what are appropriate control groups, and then also how to talk about it. So for many of them, they like the direct access to the senior leadership and access to equipment, and it really fast tracks their chances at their home institution to say, I did this project, but not only was I a researcher, I also was a leader of a small group and learning how to direct traffic and balance personalities, and at the end of the day, get a lot done.
There's a lot of rigor involved in learning to work in the lab. There's a lot of things that can go wrong, and there's a lot of learning we've had to do to kind of combat the things that can go wrong. Curiosity takes shape as a result of real-world problems. Not everyone has an opportunity like this, so you'll have a leg up in terms of knowledge and how a lab works, how research works, the experimental process, the design of science itself. If you're going into a research lab where they're expecting you to perform at a high level, it's a great head start in that regard. This is a really cool program. I'm lucky to be a TA here.